Hello guys, what's up? Jason's here, and today I want to take you to the Mellat Park, one of the biggest and oldest park in Mashhad, in Iran. In Persian accent, we call it Park Mellat, and I assure all that you love it. So let's watch this video till the end. You are watching the first episode of Mellat Park series on Jason the Adventurer YouTube channel. As I told you at the beginning of the video, this is Mellat Park, which is located in west of the Mashhad on Imamad Street in Khorasan Razavi province. It's the most popular park in Mashhad, with beautiful gardens and facilities for various sports such as soccer, ping pong, basketball, etc., with an area of 720,000 square meters. It's not uncommon to see hundreds of people of all ages walking and jogging around the park early in the morning and picking late at nights, especially in summer and spring. Near this park, there are many shopping stores, fast foods, coffee shops, etc. And there's a big outdoor amusement park in the center of the park, which has the tallest Ferris wheel in the Middle East. And here's the amusement park which I talked about it. You see that? It's closed right now and it's only opens at the specific times. And I promised you that one night I'll take you there. How quiet is this? That's awesome. From where I live, it's around a 40 minutes walk away or 10 minutes on the bus, but it depends on where you are. And this is the other side of amusement park. What the hell is going on there? Yep, the old people are exercising together. How fun is this, isn't it? For your information, it's prohibited to go on grass, walk on them, sit on them, anything else. That's forbidden. And the other thing that is forbidden here is riding a bike, motorbike, and something like that, because it's too dangerous here because of the children and old people. Maybe you ask yourself that what people can do in this park. The one that I love is riding bike around the park or hanging out with friends and family. But what people do here mostly is jogging. Here's another thing that I forget to tell you guys is there's only one side in park that you can ride bike. Here in the blue parts of the park you can ride bicycles till the other of this side of park. You're allowed to ride your bike only on this side of the park. Here's the end of the first episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Tap on the like button if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel. Let your friends know about my channel. I mean Jason the Adventurer YouTube channel. And I'll share the link of the second part in comment section ASAP. That's it. See you later.